submission is more on a personal note. I was asked to do a speech, and I'm doing that. And first of all, I'd just like to total the former speakers before me, and I totally agree with everything that they've said. There is absolutely a lot that needs to be taken into consideration. Kia ora, my name is Charlotte Paramaki. My home is in Hokianga Street in Omapere. I was born here in Rawene, in Hokianga. I am at present residing in Mama Toy's home, just down in the front of my own home, in Hokianga Harbour Drive. Uncle Toy was a firm believer of issues that were important to all of us, and dealing with them on a very strong, and he was very strong in his matters. And he was a firm believer of doing things the right way. Also, along with Uncle Toy was his younger brother, Uncle Martin Marston. So these two men have been major stalwarts in my life. But we, as the next generation down from them, we have a lot that we need to be much aware of what's going on and the immense changes that have happened. I feel now that our task now means that we are obliged to preserve and to share together the generations to come, which are our people. And I have many that are coming, and that are here with us. And I think about what their lives are going to be like in future years. My key points are to cease the pollution in our harbour and look at the alternative solution, perhaps a land-based system, which I believe has been trialled in entire parts at this time. The Hokianga Harbour, and the rivers, the streams, they're our source of food for everyone. The recreational use of our harbour for whānau, visitors, including our festival, our country music festival that we have here every year. And the effectiveness of the pollution and the plume that can be seen upon the release of the waste into our harbour. The effects on a cultural level cannot be avoided. Te Tiriti o Waitangi has not been honoured. The harm of our resources. Who will be liable? And decisions that are made, can we not share them on our marae? Many are not comfortable with speaking out in public. This is my first time in a public forum. You have to excuse me. I would just like to say, and this is in Māori, but I will also translate it into English for you. This has come from the Reverend Māori Master. Ko te mātauranga, kei te mātinga, te kohinga kōrero. Ko te mātauranga, kei te ngātau, ki aia, anō ona, tikanga whakaro. Knowledge is a thing of the head, an accumulation of facts. Wisdom is a thing of the heart. It has its own processes. It saddened me today to listen to a lot of the speakers before me that I could hear, I could feel their hearts. And I know it must be hard to listen from both sides. But my aroha does go out to them. It is not easy. I totally support and totally equally because I can hear and I can understand it now. I would just like to turn around and just give another small quote to finish off my kōrero. Whakatomori te haere whakamua. We walk into the future with our eyes open to the past. Kia ora.
Te whaia wapatanuku e ka hoto nei. Horo ia te marino ki runga hi te moana. Toia mai te waka kumea mai. Ki te takoto rangahi takoto ai te waka. Ki te takoto rangahi takoto ai te waka.
Kia ora. We really appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, everybody.